Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a Sony Smart TV, the Android TV. I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset, right? Very, very simple to do. First thing you want to do is go ahead and go to your settings. You have a settings button right here, or you can simply just go ahead and click on the home button and then make sure you move up. And now what you want to do is just move all the way over until you see the settings tab right there. Click on enter. And then from here, you want to go ahead and we want to scroll down to device preferences. Click on enter. Now we want to scroll all the way down to where it says reset right here. Click on enter, and then you can do a factory data reset, or you can erase data from internal shared storage. I'm going to do a full factory data reset right here. Click on enter. And just take note, with the factory reset, we will lose everything on there as if we just bought this Sony TV brand new. Okay, we're going to go ahead and move down to everything right there. I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. You sure you want to do this? We're going to go down to yes. All right. Give it a second. It's running now. And now it's booting up my TV. Now it says it is erasing. So give this another minute. Looks like it rebooted again. And it's starting up here, and we should be on the very beginning of the setup process once it's done like loading. And there we go, back to the beginning. We have to choose our region and so on from there. So pretty simple to do. Good luck.